of our 24 hours.
Time is like water in our hands. If we don't hold it carefully, it slips away. Today, let's reflect on how we use our time wisely and make every hour count. Now, let me invite our school choir to lead us with prayer to help us focus on our time and thoughts on things that truly matter.
Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1. For everything there is a season, and a time for every matter under heaven. This is the word of the Lord.
Let me invite Albino for thought for the day.
Time is gone. We want the most, but what we use the worst. By William Penn. I repeat, time is gone. We want the most, but what we use the worst.
Friends, today we will present a short skit on how our three friends make use of their time. A digital clock shows 10 a.m.
Waster of time. Scrolling social media doesn't complete his homework, instead feeling bored and guilty. Where did the time go? I had 24 hours, but I wasted them all.
Next comes Ria, the overloaded multitasker. Wakes up early, rushes through everything, does homework while eating, while walking, even while half asleep. Is tired, stressed, and burnt out. I used every minute, but forgot to enjoy a single second.
The balanced planner. Spends time for study. Helps mom. Plays outside. Reads. And sleeps well. Smiles at the end of the day. I didn't rush. I didn't waste. I lived all 24 hours fully. We have the same 24 hours. How we use them decides who we become.
Let me invite Nidhi to recite the poem.
Tick tock, the clock doesn't pause. Use it right or face the loss. An hour of courage, a minute of rest. Balance the time and you'll be your best. Thank you.
Now, let me invite Priya ma'am to address the assembly.
Brothers, sisters, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear students, a warm morning to one and all. First of all, let's congratulate the students of class E's and their class teacher Ma'am Radhika for their wonderful assembly presentation. Let's give them a big round of applause. Time is like a flowing river. Once it passes, it never comes back. Some people use time like a treasure, but some others waste it without realizing its value. Let's remember, time once lost can never be regained. So dear students, instead of saying I don't have time, let's start saying I will manage my time better. Let's use time wisely and make every moment count. Don't wait for tomorrow, start today. Thank you and have a fruitful day.